a tutorial on how to make these Mongolian fur throw pillows. I seen some online and they were about $30 a piece, and I wasn't gonna pay that much, just to be honest. I went to my local Joann's and found the fabric, about $30 total, with all of my materials to make 2 pillows versus just buying one online. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the materials you'll need are, of course, your fur fabric and a lining to match to go on the back, a ruler, scissors, and pins. Okay, here you'll see me marking my dimensions on the back of the fabric with just a Sharpie marker. I'm gonna make mine 19 by 19 just because typically the throw pillows that I've seen are usually about 20 by 20 inches, and I just want my pillows to be a nice size. So after you mark a square on the back of your fabric, you're gonna cut the fabric out. Just a tip, when cutting the fabric, you don't want to cut all the way through. You just want to cut through the backing of the fur. Usually if you cut all the way through, your ends on the fur are gonna look jagged and kind of raggedy, in my opinion. So just to keep all of the hairs intact, just cut through the back. Okay, so off camera, I'm going to pin my lining fabric and my fur fabric together. And you want to leave an opening of about 5 inches on one side, just so you can stuff the pillow in there, and to also turn your new pillowcase inside out so you can stuff it with your pillow insert. And so after that, you're going to hand sew the opening closed so that your pillow can be completely finished. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be coming to you guys with a new video weekly. So be on the lookout and turn on that notification. Bye.